Hi. Let's learn about how a general ledger works with double-entry accounting along with examples. Today, we will talk about the general ledger and its role in company financial management. A general ledger is the record-keeping system for a company's financial data. It holds details of transactions, which are segregated into accounts for assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenues, and expenses. The general ledger is used to store financial data and generate the company's financial statements. Transactions are posted to individual subledger accounts and then closed out or summarized in the general ledger. A trial balance is then generated to check for errors and make necessary adjustments. The general ledger is used in double-entry bookkeeping, where each transaction affects at least two subledger accounts. This method follows the accounting equation, which requires that the total of all debit and credit entries must balance. The general ledger contains transaction details that are compiled and summarized to produce various financial reports. It helps stakeholders assess the company's performance, and it is essential for maintaining error-free financial statements. For example, if a company receives a $200 payment from a client, the cash account is increased with a $200 debit and accounts receivable is reduced by $200 with a credit, keeping the accounting equation in balance. When a company receives payment from a client for the sale of a product, the cash received is tabulated in net sales along with the receipts from other sales and returns. The cost of sales is subtracted from that sum to yield the gross profit for that reporting period. Yes, a general ledger is part of the double-entry bookkeeping method, where each transaction impacts at least one debit and one credit transaction. For example, if a company receives a $1,000 payment from a client, the asset column is increased by $1,000 and accounts receivable is reduced by $1,000, keeping the accounting equation in balance. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The general ledger is the foundation of a company's double-entry accounting system. 2. General ledger accounts encompass all the transaction data needed to produce the income statement, balance sheet, and other financial reports. 3. General ledger transactions are a summary of transactions made as journal entries to subledger accounts. 4. The trial balance is a report that lists every general ledger account and its balance, making adjustments easier to check and errors easier to locate. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.